So let's look at this net present value question. The fun park is evaluating a new game. They've narrowed it down to Wacky Water Race Game and the Whack-A-Mole. Here's the information about the Wacky Water Race Game. The initial investment is $31,000. It has a net cash inflows of $8,000, and we expect that to be consistent every year for 6 years. And at the end of the 6 years, we think it's going to have a salvage value of $3,000. You can solve this using time value of money tables. I'm going to show you how to do that. Or Excel. I'm going to show you how to do that too. If that's going to be available to you. If you're taking this exam in the online testing center, then it is not available to you. Assume that they have a 4% required rate of return. So the first thing is I'm going to set up this table, and I recommend this is how you should do it. Put something like this in your notes so you remember how to do it. We're going to take the initial investment of minus $31,000. That happens now, so the present value of $1 today is 1. So the present value of $31,000 is $31,000. Since this is an outflow, it is a negative $31,000. And now we need to find the present value factor for the annuity and the one-time amount. The present value factor of the annuity at 4% for 6 periods is 5.242. And so I plug that in here. The present value of $1, which is a one-time amount at 4% for 6 periods, is 0.79. And I plug that in here. I then extend these out, multiply them out, right? I take 5.242 times the 8,000. I take 3,000 times 0.79, that's where I get these numbers, and then I sum them. I net them, basically, right? So that's how I get the net present value of 13,306. We can also do this in Excel. The Excel formula is going to be PV open parentheses 4%, 6 number is the period, minus 8,000 is the payment, and minus 3,000 is the one-time amount salvage value. That's the formula I use to come up with the present value of the cash inflows. So I take the initial investment, which is already at its present value, minus 31,000. I compare that to the present value of the cash inflows, 44,308, and I get net present value of 13,308, which I think was $1 different than the other way. And this is actually the more accurate of the two.